Okay, question number 13. Question number 13 of exercise 22.2. The question says a car starts from rest and accelerates uniformly at a meter per second square for t1 seconds to a speed of 10 meter per second square. Okay, so they are giving us velocity and acceleration. So I'm drawing a velocity time graph over here. Okay, so first of all, a meter per second square, time is t1, and it has reached a speed of 10 meter per second. Okay, after that they are saying that it then accelerates at 2 meter per second square for a further t2 second to a speed of 20 meter per second. Now it is moving in this way. Time period is t2 second. Okay, and acceleration is 2 meter per second square, and it has reached 20 meter per second. Right? It maintains this speed for a further 24 seconds. So this speed was being maintained for further 24 seconds. For further 24 seconds, this speed was being maintained, and there's total distance covered. The total distance covered is 555 meters. The total distance which is total distance is equals to 555 meter. Okay, that is the first thing. This is the information. So I have drawn a velocity time graph and I have got 555 meter over here, right? Now, part A is show that T1 equals to 2 times T2. T1 equals to 2 times T2. This is your part saying. Okay. Now, if I will take this thing, acceleration. So, acceleration is what? Velocity, that is 10. Time, that is T1. Okay. And if I take this one, what will be this? That will be 2a. Velocity is 20. Time is T2. Okay. So if I will shift this over here, so this will become A equals to 20 over T2 multiplied by 2. This and this will be cancelled. A equals to 10 over T2. Now A equals to 10 over T1. A equals to 10 over T2. 1 minute. This velocity will be 20 minus 10. Okay. Because we have covered from 10, I have reached 20, so that will be 20 minus 10. Okay. So this will be 10 and this 2 will be there, right? This is 2. This and this will be cancelled now. So your value of A is coming 5 over T2 and value of A is coming 10 over T1. When I will compare both A's over here, what will happen? This will become, okay, I am comparing it on this side, beta, this A and this A. So that will become 10 over T1 equals to 5 over T2, shifting it. So T2 multiplied by 10 equals to 5 over T1 over 5. This and this will be cancelled. So T1 is coming equals to 2T2. But and that is your required answer over here. Okay. B part of the question is that I have to draw velocity time graph, which I have already drawn over here. But as this was my second part, so I can't use this thing to get this value. That's why I haven't taken anything. I have just taken the value. Of course, I can use it for reference, but I can't take it, okay, area under the graph and anything. I can't do it because they were saying that in B part, they were saying that we have to draw velocity time graph. So after B part, I can use this one to do the calculation, but not before that. Be careful about it. Now, in C part, they are saying find the total time. I have to find the total time which was taken for this distance. Okay. Now they have given us the total distance is 555. So how will I find this one? This one will be half into base is T1 and height is 10 plus this one. It's a trapezium over here. So how will I take this one? Half into, what's your base given? Base is given T2 into sum of parallel side. So that is 10 and that is 20. This will become 30 plus. If I take this one, so that's a rectangle. So it is 24 over here and 20 over here. So 24 into 20. Okay. This is the thing given to me. Now 555 equals to this and this will be cancelled. 5T1 plus this and this will be cancelled. 15T2 plus, when I will multiply this one, this will become 480. Okay. Now after that I have got this one. T1 equals to 2T2. So if I will put it over here, so 555 equals to 5 times. Instead of T1, I will be writing 2T2 plus 15T2 plus 480. Okay. So 555 10T2 plus 15T2 plus 480. Simplifying it further, 555 minus 480 equals to 25T2. Okay. So when I will subtract these two, my answer will be 75. When I will subtract these two, 75 equals to T2. And as T1 is 2 times of T2, so T1 will be equals to what? 2 into 75, sorry, divided by 25 also. So when I will simplify this one, my answer of T2 is coming 3. And T1 equals to 2 times of T2, which means T1 is equals to 6 seconds. So for total time, what will I do? I will have T1 that is coming 6, T2 that is coming 3, and then 24. Okay, so when I will simplify it, my final answer is coming 33 seconds over here. Now, D part of the question is saying, that I have to find the value of A. Okay, so simply I know that A equals to 10 over T1. I can take this or I can take this value, whatever you want to. So I'm taking this one. A equals to 10 over T1 and A equals to 10. What is the value of T1 coming? That is coming 6. So 5 over 3 meter per second squared. That will be your final answer. You can write this thing as one whole number 2 over 3 meter per second square for simplification, right?